Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Today is October 8th, 2019, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the major economic events of the day, just one event coming out at 7:50 South African time out of the United States. Fed Chairman Powell will be speaking, and that may be an important event. But looking at the markets, Forex markets are pretty much unchanged. Very quiet situation. Also, the Dow Jones yesterday not doing much. But however, looking at the commodities, we finally got that sell-off in gold as we had that upside down head and shoulder formation. We mentioned that yesterday. And oil remaining steady while we're looking at the stocks remaining buoyant, but nothing really jumping out. And however, looking at Bitcoin, it looks like it's bouncing off its lower level and perhaps starting a new upwards trend. But let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So just what does a market look like when it's not trading? This is it. Okay, we're looking at the EURUSD at a 4-hour chart. And you can pretty much see we're trading pretty much unchanged from yesterday, 109.70-ish level this morning, and we're 109.90-ish right now. We're trading at 109.85 yesterday. So really in a 10 pip move or a 10 pip range since yesterday. So not really much doing there in the Forex symbols. However, if we jump to commodities, we did get that sell-off in gold. As you can see here, we had that head and shoulders. That was one shoulder. This was the head. And this was a subsequent shoulder, which then capitulated to our sell-off here to 1490-ish level. As you can see here, we're selling off. So the question is where we're going to go from here. We may continue selling off. If we do challenge this 1490-ish level, we may see it sell off further in today's trading. Now, looking at oil, we're trading towards the bottom of that range of $53 a barrel. The question is it going to take us further down, or it's going to just stay buoyant? Okay, right now we're trading right on that trend line, and we may see it just jump between this 56 and 53-ish area. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, again, not much change since yesterday, 26,540 right now. We sold off just a little bit there at the top, but we're still very buoyant. Okay, looking at the stocks though, nothing really jumping out. Microsoft got a little bit stronger, but didn't sustain it. Okay, also JP Morgan bounced a little bit, but nothing really to write home about. That's a weekly chart. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. It bounced, but didn't do much since then. Okay, however, looking at Bitcoin, it does look like it's consolidating here and at the upper part of that bottom range from our sell-off. Okay, bouncing off at that third Fibonacci retracement support. So if it does continue up higher, maybe to the 83-ish level, 85-ish level, and does break above it with some momentum, we may see it challenge this 89 to 9,000 area again. Something to look forward to later today. I want to thank everybody for joining us this morning, and I want to wish you a great trading day. Thank you.